Thank you for hating on me.
Trying hard ka daw mag-English.
Ako? Basher.
Ano masasabi mo sa nagsasabing trying hard ka daw mag-English?
Ako?
Oo.
Trying hard.
Na ano mo ba yan? Nakita mo yung post ko?
No, I didn't.
Sabi niya, nag-comment siya doon, trying hard ka daw mag-English. Kasi di ba nandito tayo nag-uusap noon?
And what was his comment? Tagalog?
Sabi niya,
Tagalog?
Tagalog.
Imagine hating on a kid trying hard speaking English when your comment is Tagalog. Try speaking English too para both tayo
Di.
trying hard.
Ano ka, kasi mag-ano ka na lang kaya? Mag-English, magwaray ka na lang kaya?
No, that feels weird.
Pero may nagre-request din doon na sabi magwaray ka na lang daw. Kaysa mag-Tagalog.
But other people can't understand waray-waray.
Kaya nga. Pero sige nga, pagwaray daw ikaw.
What am I
mo,
gonna say?
anong masasabi mo dun sa nag-comment sa'yo ng inwaray?
Pag speak English, so para parehas kita trying hard English, para parehas kita. So, para maging sugad kita, parehas kita trying hard.
Tagalog, paano? Tagalog lang, English. Tagalog, wag English. Sige. Okay lang,
Wait,
try mo lang.
What am I gonna say?
Tagalog lang ha, walang English, walang waray.
No, what am I gonna say? Tagalog.
Kung anong gusto mo sabihin dun sa nag-comment na trying hard ka daw mag-English.
Oh, I don't know.
Tagalog.
I don't know. What? I don't know. How am I supposed to say that?
Ha? Waray ka masisiring?
Waray.
Tagalog.
Waray.
Waray talaga?
No. I don't know how
Kahit
to
maliit na Tagalog lang.
Basher. No, I don't know.
Basher ba? Tagalog ba yun?
Oh, yes.
Tagalog.
Tagalog people. I mean, Filipino.
Sige. Wala ka na masabi?
None.
Yun lang.